are back.
How interesting is this gonna get?
Right there, we got a freaking coyote.
I told you to hold it!
We decided to show up again. Alrighty folks, so we're pulling into Husker Harvest Days. We got Megan driving. My foot's actually the gas pedal. This is teamwork. Alright, you gotta hit the brake. So we're pulling in, folks. Todd's got the Pinto Wagon.
Nope, he has the Firebird.
Todd has the Firebird. Johnny over here pulling the frame. Folks, we made it. So, folks, last year we showed up when we did this and our video got 300 views. So we decided to show up again. That just means that we have the best 300 viewers out there because they're gosh darn consistent. You look at our videos, we're a 300 view gang, dude. We do good. We spotted this old man. He's just wandering around. What are you looking for? How can I help you?
What's that up in Omaha they have close to the zoo? Like wildlife safari thing?
Oh, yeah.
Todd,
how is the drive?
It's alright. It just doesn't like
overdrive.
Needs a lot of stuff to do done to it. Transmission needs more power. I need something like that.
Well, go ask if we take it home. See if he'll take a frame for it.
he'll take a Firebird for it.
Yeah, dude, he might. So what? 55,000 sells the Firebird.
That's the chillest way ever.
Yeah. Careful.
So what's today gonna entail? Why didn't?
Well, we're gonna try to get this stuff in there, see if we can get it set up. I'll have to bring the Pinto down tomorrow.
Well, if not you, then who?
Yeah.
Me, myself, and I. Pinto Day.
So I'm gonna move the van here. Hey, Johnny! Oh, never mind.
Never mind.
Keep on going.
We are back. We are back. We are back. We are back at Husker Harvest Days. And right there, we got a freaking coyote. It's going to be a good day, a hell of a day, and we got a surprise for you coming up. Let's hit it. Come this way. Yeah, go turn it this way. Actually, no, turn it the other way. Yeah, back up. We're gonna get this thing going pretty damn good, I tell you what. I'm way over here. Go that way. Well, yeah, you're gonna try to straighten up the trailer. Hey, come this way. Come this way. Come that way. Oh yeah, come this way. Come this way. All right, you're good. Now back up. Turn the other way. Keep coming straight. Roll them up. Roll them up. It's windy out today. Fuck. Sunshine, sunny and 75. Frames looking gorgeous, beautiful. Frames looking beautiful.
How we doing? I was gonna take a long form too.
I told you to hold it!
Hey, who's this? You just got picked up off of a fucking coyote. Woo!
Gage don't have to go.
My wife wonders why my back hurts all the time. That's probably why. I went over there more, Todd. Jeez, I'm Pete.
Muscle car concepts. Where today we're doing Todd's burp. That's a blooper. Doing a little test mock-up for the Harvest Days set. Let's call it that.
Husker Harvest Days 2025. How interesting is this gonna get? Now, how do you hammer a nail again, Todd? Very carefully. Okay.
Hits himself on the backswing.
Oh!
You should let them know this is tape number 2.
Show him the tape ball.
That's our tape ball.
Throw it. I'll catch it.
Shouts out to you guys.
Actually,
Thanks
though.
for watching.
Like, comment, and subscribe.